going to talk about the importance of doing an advanced search when you are researching information. It isn't enough to just type in your term into your Google search window, let's say honeybees, for example, and just assume that all of these results will be helpful to you. We want to narrow our search a little bit more, and we want to make sure we're finding academic sources of information. So to do an advanced search, I've typed in honeybees here, but let's go to settings and go down to advanced search. It populates our search term. All we need to do is scroll down to site or domain. And in site or domain, I'm going to type in .edu, because then I know all of the results that come up are from colleges and universities. So I can rest assured that these results will be valid and reliable sources of information. Besides edu, the other domains that are reliable would be, we could go back and instead of edu, we could also do .org. .org sites are generally reliable as well. Okay, Wikipedia is considered a reliable source because it will have references at the bottom. It'll show where they got their information from. If we scroll down, I'll show you. Let's go down to the very bottom. It will show references. So we can rely on this source because we can see where it got its information from. Another type of extension that is reliable, the third one that we'll talk about. So we go to advanced search and we can type in .gov. These are also reliable sources. So those are three different extensions that you access through settings and advanced search that will get you reliable sources of information.